Hey guys, Fuzzy here, back with another video. Today, I just want to say that I missed something in the update on Thursday, and that was Polar Bear Day. So, I'm going to go to the diamond shop in this video and get one right now. I also have a special announcement at the end of the video, so be sure to stay tuned for that. There's loads of polar bears in here already. So let's get one. Blossom. I want it to be called Blossom Snowy Bear. Or Arctic Bear. I think I'll go with Arctic Bear. Blossom Arctic Bear. So, let's start by customizing it. I think that would actually go quite nicely with a blue polar bear. So, let's get the colors. No, definitely not. Yeah, that's a nice color. So that's good. And I don't think a worn would really go with it. Whoa. Bit of a layering issue there. No, that just looks ridiculous. No. We might have to go to the shop to get something. That looks completely ridiculous. I'll use this on my polar bear look. But I don't have enough gems, so I guess we're gonna play the game that I find easiest to get gems in. Actually, let's play double up, because it's got double gems and that's always a good thing. Plus I'm pretty good at this game anyway. I think that was... no. And the tiger was there. You were there. $20 gem bonus. Yes, let's play again. I think that was... no. And then... you were there, you were there. Panda. Koala? No. Okay, green. Let's see, do I have enough now? I might. Let's check the shop. I do, but that's gonna leave me with 22 gems. Might have to get another leg item. Oh, that might work, actually. I'll see if there are any lighter blue colors. That's the hoodie. Here we go. No, there isn't. So we'll just go with that. And for the tail, how the tail items even work on this? I think we'll leave it as that. Overall, the running animation, I like it. Now, let's have a look at the dance. It's like a ballerina. The sleep animation. Oh, that's adorable. That's adorable. You may not find it adorable, but I find it adorable. Yeah, sort of slightly different hop than I'm used to see. Did you see the snowman? It frowned. That was kind of funny. So overall, I think the polar bear is a good animal, and I really like it. And if you've watched till this point in the video, thank you so much. And I'm here with a special announcement. And tomorrow, on Sunday, my dad is going to be playing Animal Jam on video for the first time ever. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.